again, smoking. Welcome back, guys, to Fortek 9. So today finally we got some good weather, and I think the RC track opened up recently. I brought out the FMS F100 truck, and also I brought the Gorgon. Today we're going to be running this on 3S. FMS does say if you run on 3S you're going to avoid the warranty, but I'm already planning to go brushless on this thing, so we're going to run 3S on the brush motor. So we'll go ahead and see if we can hit the track on this thing. Okay, so oh, what the dang, it just came out of nowhere. That's cool. Oh, that guy over there. Woo! All right. That's pretty quick. Yeah, it's two-wheel drive, so it's a little harder.
Oh shoot.
Steering broke? Dude, it was acting up a little bit today. So
you can hear it make noise.
Oh, right here. It broke.
Oh, cracked right there.
Cracked right there, and this whole thing broke right here. See? So it's not the bolt, it's the plastic that broke. Well, that sucks. That was pretty quick. I hate that thing over there. It's insane how you can drive that. Yeah. That's cool. It's not bad, but you gotta be very careful with the throttle on this one. The heck? Did it just start smoking?
Oh, I smell it.
Ooh, I think, yeah. Oh, look, again, smoking. I think it's the motor. Ooh, that smells. Alright, so we just broke two trucks. This one, the motor is fried. I let it cool off. Tried to plug it in again. The motor's pretty toast. So we're going to go ahead, change the motor on this guy. After that, we're going to go ahead and swap out the servo saver. Okay, so instead of going brushless right away, I decided I'm going to go a little cheaper route. So I ordered another brushed motor. This guy I bought on Amazon for 17 bucks. So we'll go with the cheaper route this time. And then if this one stops working, then we're going to go brushless. So to do a brushless version, it's going to cost you about 100 bucks because you're going to need the speed control, motor, and you're gonna need a remote. So pinion off. Oh shoot. Man, hopefully I didn't strip that. Okay, got pinion off. The FMS is a 14 churn, this is a 12 churn. They look about the same. Okay, we got the motor all put in, so we're gonna do a little quick test. Alrighty, next truck. Okay, this shouldn't be too hard to change out. So we just gotta screw the links here, here, and then I believe we could just take out the servo right away. This one off. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see, but I've been fighting this thing for a couple minutes, so I'm trying to slide this thing forward and out, but this is the farthest I could get, so I'm gonna go ahead and screw this thing. That way I could take this out and then just pull it out. Oh, this whole thing broke. The whole spring, this thing. What I gotta do before I put this on is I'm gonna turn on the battery. That way make sure the servo is in the middle, and then I'll put it back in. Just gonna make sure my steering trim is in the middle. And there you go. Okay, let's see if it works. Okay, so the steering works. It is kind of weird though. But we're gonna go ahead and run it like this anyways. So we got 3S brushless, 3S brushed. Yeah, it sounds a little rough. I don't know. Maybe my gear mag. Ah, man, I let go. I almost did a backflip. Ah. Ooh. I mean, so far, yeah, these guys are doing pretty good. Woo! And land. Woo! Gorgon is holding up not bad as well. Even though this thing did have some pretty hard hits, but still holding up good. So next time the motor burns up, then we're gonna upgrade it to brushless. But so far, even with brush, this thing's pretty fun. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time.